What does the Fourth Amendment even say? The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, and papers and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures should not be violated, and no warrant shall be issued but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. By requiring warrants, the Fourth Amendment is meant to stop abusive police tactics and to prevent them from ransacking your home or searching you for sport or conducting a witch hunt. The Fourth Amendment only protects you from government actors like the police. You are entitled to understand why an officer is stopping you, questioning you, or touching you. When you fail to ask these questions, you give a bad cop a good way to convict you. You let him explain his actions after he has an ample time and opportunity to reflect, consult, and concoct a tale that portrays you in the worst light. More importantly, you give that bad cop the opportunity to testify about how his actions completely conform to the law, and you have no evidence to suggest, let alone prove, that he is lying. The only way to meaningfully challenge their actions is to do it on scene by demonstrating your expertise in the Fourth Amendment. So now let me explain this. When a police stops you for no reason at all, just because he has a hunch, this is called a stop, right? So when he stops you, they're only allowed to pat you down from the outside, and they're only allowed to pat you down for a gun. If you don't have a gun, you don't have to answer none of the questions. If you live in California, California is not a stop and go state. So unless you are on parole or probation, you don't have to answer them or even let them touch you. By telling them, I do not consent to searches, and in exercising your rights, you prove to the police that you know your rights. If they violate your rights in any type of way, I got other videos talking about how to file a complaint. And if you want to go further, start talking to a civil lawyer.